Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today video I would like to show you guys how to import all your project to Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's see on computer together. So first of all you need to open your Adobe Premiere Pro, okay, and then you select new project and you type your project name. I put my name and you browse to put your project name. I put on desktop, okay, and then anything else no need to do anymore, you just click OK. Okay, now you already in the project. I go to edit, okay, so I have two ways to import all project to Adobe Premiere Pro. So first way, you just click open file, and then you go to import and you select your file for import. Okay, I select 1 2 3 and open. Okay, and this is the first way. Second way, very easy. You can use your shortcut control that you just click control letter I. It's also 1 2 3. Okay, it's easy, right? Alright, now you already know I have two ways to import the project to Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you guys enjoy with this video. See you next video. Thank you. Bye.